Panasonic come close to offering the ideal blend of image quality, functionality, speed, and size. Welcome back guys, today we are going to review Panasonic GX85 mirrorless 4K camera. The Panasonic Lumix GX85 is a mid-range interchangeable lens camera sporting a 16 megapixel 4/3 sensor with 4K video capability. In markets outside of North America, the GX85 is sold as GX80. In Japan, it's sold as GX7 Mark II. Nearly half the size of the most DSLRs, the Panasonic GX85 delivers impressive large sensor performance in the most compact camera system ever designed by Panasonic. The camera features 16 megapixel 4/3 sensor, electromagnetically driven shutter, 3-inch touchscreen tilting display, 4K video and photo capability, 5x image stabilization with dual image stabilization, pop-up flash, and a Wi-Fi. The camera produces crisp images that are competitive with other 16 megapixel micro Four Thirds cameras in the market. 4K video quality is excellent, and overall performance is impressive, making this interchangeable lens camera an attractive option for beginners. Thanks to the elimination of the low pass filter, its fine detail resolving power is boosted nearly 10% over the previous 16 megapixel sensors. Image stabilization is top of its class with the complementary Lumix 2-axis lens image stabilization and a new 5-axis in-body image stabilization, available in either photo or video recording modes. Integrated thumb wheel controls and easy accessible exposure control dial provides a familiar DSLR-like feel and experience. An integrated electronic viewfinder improves viewability under harsh sunlight. A touch-enabled tilting 3-inch LCD provides 80 degrees of up tilt and 45 degrees of down tilt to maximize viewing in difficult framing situations. The GX85 offers the same very functional Wi-Fi implementation as GX8. Once paired with Panasonic Image app, users can view and download images, view videos, and control the vast majority of the camera core functions for remote shooting. In use, I found the Panasonic Image app very easy to use, in general, and quite robust. I installed it on an iOS device and paired it with GX85 without any problem. The GX85 is reasonably sized for a micro Four Thirds camera and fits comfortably in my hand. It is lightweight and weighs only 15 ounces without a lens. It is well balanced too, especially when using small prime lens or a zoom kit. The camera body is wrapped in a similar fox leather skin as GX8. The body has a reassuringly dense feeling to it, and nothing about the construction feels cheap. The GX85 is capable of 4K video capture at 30 frames per second and 24 frames per second. Video is captured as an MP4 at up to 100 megabits per second. It is also capable of 1080p capture at 60 frames per second, 30 frames per second, and 24 frames per second at 86 megabits per second. These clips were recorded in 4K at 30 frames per second in MP4 format. The 4K video quality is impressive with excellent details. The GX85's autofocus during video recording is excellent. Audio is about as good as you can get from a built-in microphone. It picks up voices clearly when they are close to the camera, but it also captures a lot of background noise. Unfortunately, there's no way to add an external microphone as well. One of the biggest appeal of the GX85 is its 5-axis in-body image stabilization during video recording. In order to test how good the 5-axis image stabilization is, please see the following clip. In this clip, I'm running with the camera in my hand and image stabilization is on. The GX85 uses the same 16 megapixel sensor found in the GX7. Overall, GX85 performance is very similar to the previous generation model GX7 with some slight differences. Overall, the GX85 color looks very good at the default settings and it handles white balance extremely well under any conditions. The Panasonic Lumix GX85 is an attractive option for photographers and video recorders who want a compact mirrorless camera. It produces excellent images and can record video at 4K resolution. Add Wi-Fi and in-body image stabilization, pop-up flash, and a tilting touchscreen display, and you got a camera that has a lot to offer for a reasonable price and doesn't compromise on quality.